Hey folks, if you're a pro mechanic, you know how crucial a cooling fan is to engine health. But what if your scan tool throws up P0528? Let's break down exactly what's going on, so you can diagnose and fix it, first time. P0528 means your ECM isn't getting a signal from the cooling fan speed sensor. In plain English, the system can't see how fast the fan's spinning or if it's running at all. That can lead to a cocktail of trouble engine overheating, weak aircon, maybe even engine damage if you're unlucky. Here's what you'll likely see. Check engine lights on, the fan's either stopped, running flat out, or behaving like it's haunted. You might even hear odd noises from the fan itself, and the AC just isn't keeping up. If any of that rings a bell, time to check some key spots. Start with the cooling fan speed sensor. It's usually built right into the radiator fan assembly or attached to the motor. Find the cooling fan motor and relay up front, mounted on the radiator. Your ECM might be in the engine bay or tucked inside the dash, but it's always the brains of the operation. Don't ignore wiring and connectors. These run from the fan motor to the ECM and the fuse box. Corroded pins or dodgy wires, that's a classic trigger for P0528. So, what causes it? First, a failed speed sensor, it just stops sending data. Second, a bad fan motor, which might not spin at all. Third, a blown fuse or fried relay. If they're gone, no power's getting through. Fourth, wiring issues, loose, broken, or corroded, you know the drill. And lastly, the rare one, a dodgy ECM that isn't processing the signals. Let's talk fixes. Step 1. Confirm P0528 with your obd2 scanner. Step 2. Physically inspect and test that cooling fan speed sensor. Swap it if it's dead. Step 3. Check the fan motor itself. If it's sluggish or silent, it needs changing. Step 4. Test the relay and fuse. Replace if blown. Step 5. Go over the wiring and connectors. Look for wear, corrosion, or loose fits. Once you've made the fix, clear the code, take it for a spin, and make sure everything's back to normal. Don't underestimate P0528. Left alone, you're risking serious overheating and expensive repairs. Tackle it head-on and you'll keep engines running cool and customers happy. For more deep dive troubleshooting, check out my guides on cylinder misfires, P0310 and P0311, right here on the channel. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for your next pro tip. Stay sharp out there.